If you don't become wealthy within the next 3 years, you may never become wealthy at all. The wealth gap is widening even now. 90% of the world's money is owned by the top 10%. And this gap is expected to grow even more. In my last video, I introduced a simple way to become wealthy through the opportunities offered by the new world of Web3. Today, I have an even bigger plan that could outshine the previous two combined. In fact, someone I know made a six-figure sum in less than a month through this strategy. Let's dive even deeper into this new world. The third topic I am going to talk about is Mintclub. This tool will allow us to become the bank itself. You already know there are countless coins in the world referred to as cryptocurrencies when issued through blockchain. In the virtual world of Warpcast, currencies like Degen and Ham are used, and we can trade these coins not just on Warpcast but on other currency exchanges too. Currencies born from unique cultures and with fun names like Degen and Ham are called meme coins. There's a culture beloved by those deep into Web3 which calls meme. And those who've made big money with cryptocurrencies don't hesitate to spend on memes just for fun. That's why I said making interesting memes on Warpcast could also be profitable. If you consistently create memes that become a part of popular culture, you can move to the next level: issuing your own meme coin. Traditionally, currencies were issued by a national bank, or at least most people think in that way, even though it is not 100% true. However, we live in an era where we can issue our own currencies. Then what's the most famous meme coin? There were early meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but recently, a new character has emerged that's challenging them. Probably, it's the Pepe coin. Just as Benjamin Franklin is the familiar face on the $100 bill, Pepe the Frog is probably the most widely used character in memes on the web. Pepe's market cap is close to $3 billion. If you can create a culture like this, the opportunity to make money is closer than you might think. Issuing a coin is quite simple. Go to Mintclub. Enter the name you want for your coin, and decide how much to issue. That's basically all the setup needed. At Mintclub, you can set a creator fee. When you set this fee, you earn a percentage every time your coin is bought or sold. For example, if we set the creator fee at 1% and people trade $100,000 worth of our coin in a day, we could make about $1,000 a day from that fee. However, if the fee is set too high, people might feel like a loss on each transaction, and they will stop trading eventually. That's why it's crucial to set the initial price carefully, including the creator fee. Here's a tip. Most people set their creator fee between 0.1% and 0.5%, with the most popular rate being 0.3%. This is because major decentralized exchanges charge about 0.3% fee by liquidity providers. Issuing coins through Mintclub is very different from the traditional ICO, which stands for Initial Coin Offering Process. Traditional way of launching a coin involved creating a detailed business plan about the coin's intended functions to seek investments. This document contains what this business plan calls white paper. And coins launched with this white paper promising specific utilities are known as utility coins. Creators who issued these utility coins had to fulfill the functions and business plans promised to investors. Moreover, issuing a coin is just the beginning. The hardest part awaits: providing liquidity so the coin can be freely traded. This is crucial for the coin's usability and success in the market. Low liquidity means fewer people are willing to trade, making transactions difficult. Coin issuers must provide initial liquidity to facilitate trading. But I'm not suggesting you go through this difficult process. There's a reason I recommend using Mintclub to create your meme coin. Mintclub simplifies the complex process by automatically handling liquidity. And as a platform for creating meme coins, it doesn't require business plans or functional obligations. Even if the coin becomes popular, meme coins are started just for fun and enjoyment. Let's think about how money was first created. Originally, people traded what they had, like crops for hunted rabbits. As they bartered, questions like, "How many apples for one rabbit?" arose. This led to the idea, let's create a consistent symbol to represent value for everything. And that's how currency was born. Currency started with objects like stones or seashells, then evolved into gold and silver, later moving to promissory notes that represented gold and silver, and eventually to today's banknotes. Now, we mostly use digital numbers on smartphones. Currency is essentially based on a mutual belief. We all agree these virtual numbers and symbols have value, so we trust and use them. The strength of the US dollar comes from the strong belief that the US won't fail. In contrast, the Argentine peso is considered almost worthless because people believe its utility is almost zero. Understanding this concept opens up opportunities to create your own influential legacy, similar to the Rothschild family. In the Web3 world, everyone starts equally. Developing any skill is up to us. There's no utopia where you can make money effortlessly. But quickly grasping this new world and developing the right skills could set the stage for tremendous opportunities.